Just 20 minutes from Phuket, snorkeling, beach, cool bars, nice food, and water sports. What island could it be? Watch this video to find out. Hi guys, Sean here from 5 Star Marine with Jay.
Hello. Hey, Sean.
What?
Look what I've got. Now.
Lunch.
No.
You're gonna fry them up? It's so hot.
No.
Are you gonna show them how hot it is? You're gonna like cook an egg on the concrete?
No.
I saw that on YouTube the other day.
Did you see the Thai people that cook the prawns in his motorbike? Anyway, I'm not here for that. Look what I've discovered. Do you know what these are?
Dinosaurs.
No, they're flamingo eggs. Did you know? Did you know you get flamingo eggs in Phuket? I didn't know that.
Are you bringing flamingos to Phuket?
I'm not sure if we're allowed to.
Can we see flamingos on this tour?
Well, the reason I'm bringing this flamingo egg in is so you could segue into the tour.
This tour is all about Khai Island, and Khai translates roughly to Egg Island.
It didn't go as well as I thought it would, to be fair. I thought it'd be really funny.
So we're going to do a walkthrough video of the Khai Islands today. We're going to tell you a little bit about what you can expect, and it all starts with you getting picked up from your accommodation. Then you're going to come here to our office and you're going to meet Jay, or your guide.
Hello, I'm Jay. Welcome to 5 Star Marine. Thank you for coming. Please help yourself to our free water, our juice, bananas, and donuts. But don't have the coffee. Edit this out, Kyle, because it's no good.
I did have a guest say to us yesterday, it's not that bad.
Well, that guest is wrong.
Anyway, so once you've met your guide, you've got your coffee, had a donut, signed the insurance forms, and you're all checked in, you're going to come to the very famous map.
The map!
You know, Jay, people have been taking photos at our map. That's how famous it is. People come and take photos.
Should we not have a little picture of us on the map somewhere?
If we were amazing, we would have branded this map.
Well, it is at the top. Look, I'm not sure if that's in the shop, but anyway. There you go.
So anyway, you're going to come to the map and your guide's going to give you an idea of what you could do for the day. Do remember, this is a private tour, so everything is flexible. Pick-up time, drop-off time, where we're going to go, route plan, all of this is flexible.
The only thing that's not flexible is me.
Yeah, we'll show a video of Jay trying to do the splits. Yep, that's it. Anyway, so you're here at Phuket Boat Lagoon.
Boat Lagoon.
The Khai Island is 3 islands, and Jay, their names are?
Khai, and Khai.
No, let's get more specific, Jay.
Khai Nui. Khai Nui.
There you go.
And, oh God, what's the other one? Khai Nok, thank you.
You have Khai Nok, Khai Nai, and Khai Nui.
I just said that.
Khai Nok and Khai Nai, they are shown here on the map. Khai Nui is too small to be shown on the map. Now, one of the things about Khai Nui doesn't have a beach. It's just a rock formation with good snorkeling.
Really good snorkeling there. In fact, that's where I did the snork with an L video.
Yeah, that video is still getting thousands of views.
So it should. That. Because snork with an L is a great scuba tank.
Yeah, someone tried to buy a snorkel from us, one of those
Did
things.
Did they want one?
They tried to buy it. After your review, I thought, no one's going to buy it.
No, but people want it.
Anyway, so... You're here on the pier, you've been briefed, you've decided you're going to head on out, you're on the boat. The boat's got water, soft drink, fresh fruit, masks, snorkels, life jackets, everything you need for a great day, and you're out of the pier about 20 minutes out to the Khai Islands.
Oh, I like the way he did that. It went really.
Yep, about 20 minutes out to the Khai Islands. Maybe you're going to go Khai Nai first, do a little snorkel off the boat, have some beach time, maybe grab a coconut or a beer if that's who you are.
What?
Or even a second coffee.
What about,
do you think their coffee is better out there?
What about a cocktail, Sean? Can I do the cocktail jokes?
No, let's not do this. Let's not go down there. Kyle's going to edit too much. But Khai has also got some very good somtam. So if you ask your guide to introduce you to the somtam.
Not very good, amazing somtam. Probably the best somtam in Phuket.
To the key point that Perry, our office admin.
Katy Perry. Here's a picture of her.
Her and I will often jump on Lisa 1, here's a picture of Lisa 1, and head out to Khai just to get the somtam and come back.
I'm sorry, I made a very bad innuendo joke in my head, but I kept it in my head.
I'm very pleased with that.
Good.
So maybe you're going to do a beach and snorkel at Khai Nai, then maybe you're going to move over to Khai Nok and do a beach and snorkel, or maybe Khai Nui, a bit of snorkel. The actual program the guide will help you with on the day.
That's right.
And if you get to lunch is important. This is one of the favorite things. In the last year's video where we talked through Khai, we recommended a floating restaurant. It's Michelin, not just Michelin recommended, Michelin starred now, I believe.
No, it's not.
They've got a star out there. I think they might have drawn it on.
I think they've drawn that star. They are Michelin recommended. But in all fairness, can I just say, it is a great restaurant, and I do love that restaurant. Yes. But there's a lot of places that are Michelin recommended now. It's kind of, it's not as...
But it's a floating restaurant. It's beautiful, good food, good vibe.
We haven't even talked about what Khai's good for and what's there. There's, okay, Khai Islands are fantastic. If you are a young family, or if you're a family with the older generation, we like to call them old people, then the Khai...
No, we don't. No.
No, we're not allowed to use the word old people.
Senior travellers.
All right, old age pensioners. If you're a bit old, no. All right, if you're a bit diddery, no. Anyway, shush now. So if you're old and diddery, or very, very young, and you want somewhere that's really cool, not too far away.
All I can say, I'm glad you're not wearing your Trump hat today.
Ah, that's very true. It's only 20 minutes away, but plus it's got deck chairs there. It's got sun umbrellas. It's also got facilities, toilets. It's got restaurants and bars. Jet skis. But also...
You can fish there?
Well, you can fish there, but you can also snorkel straight off the beach as well.
Or off the boat.
Or off the boat. But if you're new to snorkeling, or if you've got, like I said, young kids,
yes,
you can just walk straight in, just put your head down in the water, don't even have to swim, and you'll see loads of tropical
Highly
fish.
Recommended tour for families.
It's a really cool tour.
Yes. So you've done all the beaching. Maybe you're wanting to go somewhere different, a little fancy, a little different, a little experiential lunch.
Ooh.
So you do have options to have lunch on Khai itself.
Yes.
But if you prefer, you can then come back in behind Coconut Island and go to Phuket for lunch.
Backside of Coconut Island.
Yes, and the food there is really, really good.
Food's amazing there. I've
been going there the last few days myself, and honestly, you got to really try the lemon fish. The lemon fish there is really good.
Oh, I go for the raw prawns. Probably don't go for the raw prawns unless you...
Oh, and the cockles are good.
The cockles are good. Hoy, spicy hoy, baby.
Oh, gosh,
Aren't they good? Should we go there now?
Yeah, I'm feeling like it. So once you've been there and had a little bit of lunch, maybe you want some beach time, so then we'll go
beach time?
We'll go to Rang Ye.
I like Rang Ye.
And at Rang Ye, there's lots of things to do. We have footage of this.
Yes.
Cut to Jay nailing this part.
ATV, jet skiing, speak to Brian the goat. You can also hang out at the bar, you can also hang out at the deck chairs, or you can just walk down a beautiful tropical beach.
So that might be the last part of your day. Maybe it's the sunset part. Maybe it's a relaxation part. Maybe it's coming back late in the afternoon or something. We could even do Rang Ye first if you like. Go there first, then
go there afterwards. It's a nice place to watch the sun go down.
But one of the best parts of a private tour is we can do what you want.
Fine, what I want.
Not you, what they want.
Well, I want to go there last.
I understand that. So do I. I think it's a beautiful spot for a nice little sundowner. Anyway, so then Rang Ye and then back to the pier, and that is your Khai Island tour. So just to recap, there's 3 Khai Islands, Khai Nai, Khai Nok, Khai Nui, good for snorkeling. They have bars, they have restaurants, they have water sports. If you wanted to jump off and do something unique for lunch, you've got access to the floating restaurants behind Coconut Island. You also can stop at something like Rang Ye on the way back, where you've got ATVs, jet skis, and Brian the Goat.
Yes.
And Brian the Goat is YouTube famous.
Yes,
this guy's got thousands of views. I don't know why. But that's it's an easy day. It's a really easy day.
It's one of those days which is perfect, like I said, for young families or for a whole generation if you're coming to all together. And, you don't want to go too far. You don't want to go, some of you like snorkeling, some of you want beach time. It's perfect.
Yeah, and I got a text the other day that said, Sean, I'm looking for like an easy beach day with a little snorkeling and a nice cool bar. And I'm like, Khai's the one for you.
That bar's very cool.
Yeah, it's very cool, very cool. So that's it, guys. Jay's going to wrap up.
Okay, so if you want to go to Khai Islands, or if you want to come and try a flamingo egg, I got these this morning. 50 baht it cost me. Anyway, flamingo eggs. Didn't know you could have them. Anyway, there you go. Comment below, like and subscribe. And come on the 5-star holiday and go to Khai Islands. Thanks. Flamingo eggs.